Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how to change Jupyter notebook theme. So sometime it happens that we are not comfortable working on this default theme, and you want to change it. So you can simply change it with few line of code. So to change the Jupyter theme, we are going to do. First, we need to install the Jupyter Themes module, which is there with this command, pip install Jupyter Themes. So you simply run it. And once this Jupyter Themes will get installed, what you need to do, you need to check the available themes. So I have already installed it. So it says requirement already satisfied. So I can check the available themes once my installation is done for that package. So that is exclamatory symbol JT space hyphen L to list out all the available themes. So these are the available themes that I do have with this particular package. So I can change any of them. You keep trying and check that which one you feel like working and you're comfortable working with. So to do that, this is the command like exclamatory symbol JT space hyphen T, and you can simply pass the name of the theme from the above listed theme. So I'm going to use this Monokai. So I to do this, I need to just change the name of theme here. So what it does, it will get applied to this. So to do this, I simply refresh this, just stay on the page. I just save it and then refresh it. Just here it is. So you see that, I mean, few things are quite different. I mean, I cannot see the logo where I need to mention the title and all. So we also need to enable the toolbar, because once you change the theme, that toolbar is not visible to us. So we are going to do it as well. So just to enable the toolbar, that is the command exclamatory symbol JT hyphen T and the name of the theme that you applied and space and hyphen T is in caps. So once you run it, it will enable the toolbar. You again need to Control S and then refresh it. Yes. Yeah. Still, yes, you can see it's a bit better than the previous version. Then you go down, we just enable the toolbar. Next thing that we need to do is to enable the file name and logo, because we are not getting this where to change the name of the file and all. To do this, just the same command, just you need to pass hyphen N in caps. So once you run it, it will enable file name and logo as well. So let it run and save and then refresh your page and you will see the differences. Yes. Can you see? That is the title. Now I can see. Now you just go down. What else we can do? Okay. So kernel logo is not yet properly visible. So we can enable the kernel logo as well with the same command, just by typing -KL. So once you run it and you simply save it. Don't forget to save to see the changes and refresh it or reload it. So you see that is also there. Yeah, it's a bit better version. Just let me minimize it. Might be you can apply another some other themes as well. I just applied this. Now, for example, in case you want to do all, I mean, yeah, you just want to enable the toolbar, you need to change the file, you need to enable the file name, which is not yet coming once you directly change the theme and the kernel logo as well. You can do that within a single command as well. And to do that, the command is this JT hyphen T, name of the theme that you're going to apply. And then hyphen T is for the toolbar, hyphen N is for file name and logo, and hyphen KL is for kernel logo. So once you run it, it will do all at one place. And let's say, for example, you have chosen one theme and it got applied to your system, but you don't like it. So you can anytime restore your default theme with this command, which is exclamatory symbol JT space hyphen L. It's quite simple. So once you run it and you save it and you refresh your page, exactly the same thing that you did. and it got back to the default one. Here it goes. So this is a simple trick to change the Jupyter theme. You keep trying and let me know which one you like it. So thanks. That's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.